Most bearish signals I've seen for in a long time has been triggered right now. We're hitting the stop losses that I've talked about in my previous videos, these ones right here. And as that is happening, volume for Bitcoin is going down, meaning no one is buying the dip. You can see there's not that many buys opened in the open area interest. You can see there's no real CDB action, no divergences on the bullish side, only on the bearish side. When we go to the 4-hour, when we go to the daily, you can see more divergences, just like these easy shorts for us to capitalize on. I basically took this trade on the daily chart, but this was a fair value gap plus CDB divergence, very easy short with high conviction, and we're moving to the downside and mainly managed to scale in on my trade that I will talk about within the video. So before we start, just slap the like button, really helps out the channel. You're supporting my channel if you also visit MEXC. I trade on MEXC, 0% fees. That's what I'm doing for spot, close to zero for futures. 30k bonuses in BITGET, definitely check it out as well. We also have some news that we'll go over, but yeah, right now what we are seeing is everything playing out exactly as we planned. These were most of the stop losses. Taking profit here might be a good idea, because now the only stop losses that we can see on the chart, they're foreseeable, are right here, and then we just have the one at the bottom, which I believe we might hit. Because a lot of people will have their stops there, and I think because we didn't really have, did we have see? Oh, 1 second. Yeah, I believe we will aim for that. We didn't see that much action. I think we need to hit it a few more times, at least once, before we see a spike, or in general see how price reacts to the 24,914 area for futures. I use Binance on my chart because I check the open interest a little bit faster there. So basically all we need to know, money flow is going down. We're still very bearish when it comes to money flow. Yes, it has curved a little, but it's not a bullish sign. It's like longing here or longing here, right? We had another wave down. This momentum wave is not big enough. Stochastic is actually going to the upside. It is yet to go to the downside. A good option to have taken profits was right here at this dip. This was a local bottom, but again, I will be waiting to see how price reacts. I'll making more updates. Actually have a GMR long. I actually have a few shorts on my radar that I can update you guys on if you are interested in that. This video is not financial advice, but subscribe. The government shutting down isn't great for crypto. It's not that crypto was making speedy progress through DC, but the shutdown put a lot of gunk in the wheels. I was out sick yesterday, and so instead of anything resembling a proper newsletter, I have a few thoughts on this video. On a trial related note, you receive blah blah blah. So it's about SBF. Wait, I've seen this before. The narrative: the last time the US government shut down, it delayed several approvals. Yeah, so basically it is about the ATF. It is about the push to 71 bucks. Interesting video. Check it out later. Support smaller creators like me. China billionaire chairman of Evergrande arrested. Again, which is a very interesting trend in China, billionaires getting arrested. That doesn't happen in Europe. Billionaires are celebrities. The executive was taken into custody by Chinese officials. Since then, he's reportedly been monitored. Bloomberg's report clarified that the executive has been placed under police surveillance. The action technically falls short of formal arrest. It is not guaranteed that he will be charged. What is going on? So yeah, this is some of his history. Once upon a time, he was Asia's second richest person. However, owing to the crisis, his network has registered a free fall of 1.8 billion. So at one point, country in 1217, the figure hovered around 42 billion. Yeah, they have a lot of liabilities, so he's actually going down. So we'll see how would that play out. We would be bullish or bearish, but basically stop loss hunting. This is what people are doing. If they're not hunting for them, even if they're vegan, they will be hunting for cucumbers. But real people, real whales, we are trying to look for stop loss hunts. I enter on stop loss hunts. You know me. When I enter, I don't enter here. I enter here, right? This is everything I do, or on a fair value gap right here. I always enter on the stop loss hunt. This is just the way I like to approach the market. I can have a really good risk to reward. I can get 1 to 2 in seconds. Let's say you manage to catch the top, right? This is the 4 hours. You can easily time it on the 5 minute or something. 1 to 5. You can get a 1 to 3 like instantly, right? Where other people's entries are. So that's definitely something I think everyone trader should consider. Think of where your stop loss would be, then place this as your entry. You would have taken the trade anyway. No financial advice. Love you with all my heart. I'll keep you updated. Have some more videos coming in today. See ya. Bye.